Hi guys! Cointiply is a website that allows users to earn free coins through tasks such as surveys, watching videos, or playing simple games. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create multiple accounts and introduce the ways to earn money on this platform. Cointiply is a faucet and get paid to platform famous for its various earning methods. The number of coins you can earn depends on the type of task you participate in. For example, completing surveys can earn you between 500 and 10,000 coins, depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Meanwhile, watching videos will only earn you 10 to 50 coins. Playing games or completing offers can bring in more coins, ranging from 1,000 to 20,000 coins depending on the level. The exchange rate on Cointiply is 10,000 coins equals $1. So, if you want to earn more money, besides investing time in completing tasks, you can create multiple Cointiply accounts on different Hidemyacc profiles for easier management. By adding proxies, each of these accounts will operate independently like they are on separate devices. Next, you run a Hidemyacc profile, access Cointiply, and register an account. You can use Gmail or Mailchimp for registration. Here is the interface after successfully logging into your account. Cointiply offers 5 ways to earn coins. 1. Roll the faucet, spin to earn coins. 2. Watch videos to earn coins. 3. Play the multiplier. If you win, you can earn 3x or 5x the coins wagered. 4. Play games to earn coins. 5. Complete surveys to earn coins. Additionally, you can join Cointiply's affiliate program, which offers commissions of up to 25%. Each method has its own pros and cons, so the best way to earn money depends on your resources. Rolling the faucet or viewing PTC ads is simple and easy to do, but the number of coins earned is relatively low. These methods are also limited by time and quantity. For example, rolling the faucet can only be done once every hour. And PTC ads have a daily cap on the number of ads displayed for each account. Furthermore, when watching videos in the survey section, some videos may be restricted to certain countries. In this case, you will need to scale up by creating multiple accounts and using proxies to change your location to more favorable regions like the UK, USA, or Germany instead of operating just 1 to 2 accounts. You can also use automation tools to streamline tasks, such as auto-clicking to watch ads, instead of manually repeating actions across multiple profiles. If you choose to complete surveys or play games, you'll need to invest more time. Instead of attempting every survey or downloading every game, focus on selecting the most promising options and completing them across your accounts. In general, for platforms like Cointiply that offer tasks and rewards, scaling up with a large number of accounts is essential. Playing with just 1 or 2 accounts will result in relatively low earnings. To withdraw money, your account must have at least 30,000 coins, equivalent to $3. The system will display a conversion table from coins to USD or Bitcoin. You can choose to withdraw your funds via BTC, Doge, Dash, or LTC wallets. It's recommended to use a separate wallet for each account to ensure secure withdrawals. Hidemyacc has just introduced you to the ways to earn money on the Cointiply platform and how to create multiple accounts to increase your earnings. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for the fastest assistance. Wishing you success!